Hi, this is John with WTI. And lately, trying to keep my whole surroundings clean and my apartment clean as I have a new dog. His name is Noah. He's always going around and it's complicated. So this is where this Airwick Lavender air freshener comes into place. And I'm gonna tell you directly because I've tried different air fresheners and this is really nice for me because one, it's really is long lasting. It's not too hard because sometimes you would try some air fresheners and it's just too attacking, too strong. But this lavender just give you this soothing, calming feeling, and it's totally effective in my case because I battle some big smells related to my dog, and I always try to be like really careful about where do I place this or if it's not around. It's always really important to do this, but it's just a nice air freshener that you can do it. Use it in pretty much any place of your house. I've done this in my bathroom or here in my the other side of my room, and it's just been really effective. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.